Your products are the goods, digital downloads, services, and gift cards that you sell. You can view, add, update, and organize all your products and variants from the Products page in the Shopify admin. You can add a product to your store from the Product section by clicking Add Product. You can start by giving your product a title, description, and adding media such as images, video, and 3D models. From this page, you can also manage the product, pricing, inventory, shipping, variant, and search engine listing details. In the product organization section, choose a product type or vendor for your products. You can also add your products to a collection or add tags to a group of your products and help your customers find them by category. When you're finished filling in the product details and you're ready to publish it to your store, make sure to select the active status and then choose the sales channels that you want to sell it on. Save your changes and then you're ready to sell the product. Check out the Shopify Help Center to learn more about products, including creating gift cards and managing your inventory and collections.